AI won't change the world very much. People are overreacting today, just like Elon when he told us we'd have full self-driving cars by 2014. It's a long way off. Curious about this one.
Yeah, I think it's easy as an entrepreneur and as an influencer and as a tech billionaire to get in a bubble and think about the world in a certain way. And obviously these people are innovators and we need them. We need them. They do make our world better. AI will change things. I'm very open-minded. I have 350 employees. If I can make them do the work of 500 employees, or if I can do the same work of 200, I'm going to be the first one to adopt AI. That said, man, some of them need to just go to Walmart and look at what the average person in America or wherever are struggling with and trying to do and trying to live their life. Like, largely our homes look the same. Drywall looks the same. Doorknobs look the same. Doors look the same that they did 20 years ago. We sleep in a bed that's very similar. We get in a shower that's very similar. Like, the way we live our actual lives is not changing that much. The only thing that's changing is data is getting closer to us. It's getting way closer. We can do everything from right here. They're wanting to put it on our eyes. They want to put it in our ears. They want to put it on our glasses. I think there's going to be a little bit of pushback on that, to how close data can get to us and how intimate we want to get with technology. I'm already moving away from addiction to this phone because I think it's a negative and it's making me less happy. It's less community, less mental health. So yeah, AI, while super powerful, it'll make our companies more efficient, but largely the average person won't notice it that much.
Do you not have any concerns about it supplanting and replacing people's jobs?
I do. And look, I'm following closely, and this is something I'm massively open-minded on. I'm willing to change my mind instantly when I see something that clicks with me. But when I hear Elon Musk talk to an AI bot on Joe Rogan, and I hear my friends, build AI agents, and you can talk to them on the phone and try to do the job of a normal human, it's not even close right now, man. Like, maybe I'm taking crazy pills. Everybody thinks that this is right around the corner. In my opinion, it's not even close. So I own a business. I've looked at 50 plus AI tools. I've demoed 10. I've tried to put 3 or 4 of them inside my business. One of them is adding value. It's a note taker that takes notes inside of my meetings across my company. Uh-huh. The rest of them have been a massive letdown, but a lot of shock factor and wow factor when you're in these demos. So I think AI is definitely going to change things. It won't change the world as much or as fast as people think.
I really want you to be right. I'm not a worrier, but I have some very large concerns about AI, particularly like the image generation and video generation.
A lot of really smart people disagree with me.
The audio and stuff like that. Even something as simple. I'll tell you one that really freaks me out is just the general thing that for all of human history, we've been able to determine what is real and what is fake. You know that you're talking to me right now. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, maybe it's 20 years from now, maybe it's 30 years from now. There's no guarantee of that. Like, I already know people who are like posting Instagram videos of them doing talking head videos, and they never recorded that video. I already see people doing that. And these are people I know, and I watch the video and I can't tell it's not them. And that hasn't existed before. So that freaks me out. Or if you think of like courts and the whole criminal justice system, the gold standard of evidence our entire lives has been video evidence, right? But if we're now moving into a world where someone can create a CCTV style video of someone supposedly committing a crime, or a world leader saying something that they never said, or something like that, that's the part of it that actually really freaks me out. Just like not being able to know what is real and what is not. So yeah, that's the part that I'm greatly concerned about, and I don't think they've really thought very well through of, okay, well, so many of our systems, our biology itself is based on us being able to perceive reality. And if we can no longer tell what's real and what's not, I just think that's opening up a whole new Pandora's box of madness. Mm-hmm. Have you seen some of the like AI influencers and stuff, like some of these Instagram profiles of mostly, quote unquote women, and they have like, some of them have like six-figure followers, and they're like, this person doesn't even exist, and they're posting photos and videos and commenting, and I'm just like, this is really concerning. This is disturbing to me.
Yeah, I think the court system thing, I think the technology to identify will advance at the same level of what is real and what's fake. But dude, what you're talking about on social media has been happening, and it's influencing our elections. You can see how these countries are building bots and manipulating people at scale.
Yeah.
I think propaganda has never not existed, frankly. So AI accelerates it. But luckily, there's a lot of people who are trusting less and less and less what they're just seeing and reading and viewing online. But yeah, you're right. Those are valid concerns and super scary.